Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to register. Here, you know what? Buy me a coffee. Yeah, so as you to create a, you can get as many as support you can find, right? So this is a simple and easy way. Users can support like this. So I will show you this. This is Greta RNG. She's asking for support. It's like this. You can get support from your loyal fans. Okay. To register, just go here. Just type in a name of your choice as I use. That is my hand. It's verifying. Yes, I'm human. Mm, Mind the internet, okay? You can just log in using this. I got to delete some of this here. So, add your photo. I didn't plan this. No. Wait. Searching. Yes, yes. You just go here. Just add my, yeah, this one. This is, yes, social link. Mhm. And you can see, you don't need explaining for this. You don't need explaining for this. Yes, then continue. Yes, description. Hey, hi, how are you? You know what to talk here. I'm just showing you. Okay, then continue. Mm, 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 mm. How you are going to get paid? A standard payout, or you can let's try. I'm just for now. I'm just using standard payout. You can edit this. I was just going to say voila, but can't stay. Right? I am creating. Uh, to count videos. Okay, you can say you can edit this, right? Oh, it's finished already. I was thinking this is going to be much more. Yeah, more content for me. Okay, so I close this here. Wait. Mhm. Alright, it's like this. So your fans come here, they can support you. Mhm. This is you can ignore this. After you have updated the payment, this is available for everyone. Okay, then that's it for me. See you in the next video. Ciao.